Hey friend, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt ashamed of where you are financially? Maybe you've been faithful in your walk with Christ, but money, well, that's the one area that still feels out of control. Well, I'll tell you first, you're not alone in that. In fact, you're exactly who this show is for. I'm Ralph Estep Jr. I'm a licensed accountant, I'm a business coach, and I'm a believer who spent over 30 years helping people just like you break that cycle of financial shame and walk in freedom. This show isn't about guilt. It's not about prosperity preaching either. It's about truth, it's about transformation, and it's about taking small faithful steps towards becoming what I call financially confident Christians. Every day I bring you real talk, biblical wisdom, and practical guidance so you can stop avoiding your finances and start managing them with faith and with confidence. So whether you're drowning in debt, struggling to budget, or just ready to honor God with your money, you've found your people. Subscribe today and let's rebuild your financial life one faithful step at a time, because financial freedom isn't just possible, it's part of your calling.